I'm gonna toss some onion into the pan here. Get that going right away. So we have some onion chopped up, a couple cloves of garlic. Okay, we're ready to start adding in some more ingredients. We're gonna start off with our spices just to open them up a little bit. We have some dried basil, some Italian seasoning, dried oregano, dried parsley, and then there were some red pepper flakes in there too. It's nice to add 2 different types of heat, so I will finish this with some black pepper as well, but I love the flavor of the red pepper flakes. Go ahead and add a little bit of salt and some tomato paste. I don't always add my tomato paste to a dry pan like this, but it really does open it up and give it a little more flavor by toasting it directly on the heat like this. You can kind of get it all mixed in. Now we are ready to add in some stock. You can actually use beef, vegetable, chicken. It doesn't really matter. It will change the flavor a little bit, but whatever you have on hand will pair well with our lasagna soup here. All right, and then in with the marinara. Try not to splash it all over myself. And I'm gonna go with 2, just so I have plenty of leftovers for tomorrow as well. This is kind of a curl up by the fire or watch a movie and eat a nice bowl of soup. So we have our broken up lasagna noodles. Go ahead and stir those in, and I will put the lid on this, bring it up to a boil with our meatballs and pasta in there. And this is about, I would say, 15 minutes away from serving. So we'll scooch over here and get our garnishes ready while this is finishing off.